Hi, this is Roger, thanks for dropping by. An unboxing video with a difference because I haven't got a clue what's inside and it might be nothing to do with the orchids. I've got a few things on order. Nothing was expected today on a Sunday. The earliest delivery said Monday or Tuesday. So I'm not sure what it is, but we'll open it and see. And if it's nothing to do with orchids, then I'll just delete the video. And if it is, we'll have a look and see what it is. Come on, Roger. Tell everybody else off for cutting towards you and then go and do it yourself. Right, what have we got then? Aha, it is to do with orchids. Can you guess what it is yet? Right. Carol, now you can stop moaning. So we have liquid seaweed, and this is, I had a look through the various options. Don't really need that much, but it depends on how much you need, you know, the dilution and everything. But this is a cold press concentrate, it's got nothing added, so it's classed as organic. It says, this product may give off seaweed gases in the bottle and expand. This is perfectly normal, just released by opening the cap. Our latest multi-mite cold pressed, throwing the life out of me, a bird flew almost straight at the window then, is suitable for all types of garden, greenhouse, veg, trees and house. But God, it's cold. Where it's been outside, it's making my hands cold. Cold press is the purest form of seaweed concentrate, no thickeners, no colorants or other chemical additives, pure seaweed extract. Liquid extract fertiliser is used by many of the English and Scottish football premiership grounds. What do they, water the players or something? As well as numerous UK championship golf courses. Yeah, well, I haven't got any grass. Highly suitable for use in indoor plants to encourage and promote high quality growth and strength, known to bring some plants back from the dead. Don't be silly now. Don't make claims you can't substantiate. Plants that look dead, not actually dead. If a plant's dead, it ain't coming back to life. Used as a foliar spray for increased effect. Shake well before use. Right, so we've got some. So I was just trying to find the directions. I wish they'd make the writing a bit bigger, but they try and cram so much on, you know. Two labels, you know, or a label that goes all the way around, you can have bigger writing. Application rates will differ depending on soil type, plant type, etc. Some brands offer huge dilution rates. We recommend it's added realistically at a rate from 10 ml per litre of water upwards, depending on what you're trying to do, basically. So it depends what plants. Up to 50 ml per litre for grass and larger trees, etc. So for orchids, probably 5 ml per litre. Right, so that's it. We've got some. Looking at the reviews of the various options, this came out either at or near the top in practically all the reviews that I looked at. So we will be giving it a go to coincide with trying to encourage the plants to grow. So once we get the lights going and we increase the daytime temperatures, the whole point of that is to get plants back into growth. Part of that will be, you know, to generate better root systems and give some plants a bit of oomph, basically. So that's what this is for. It will also get used, the plan, I don't know whether it'll actually happen, but when I repot a plant from now on, I will have a container with this, nothing else, just this, at an appropriate dilution, And once I've got the old media off the plant and everything, it will go into soak. The whole plant, not just the roots, well, depending on the plant. If it's a fragile plant, I won't, but yeah, so the whole plant will get dunked and absorb this stuff, because it works as a foliar feed as well as through the roots. So by dunking the whole plant, I get this into the plant with the various hormones and things. It de-stresses the plants, and the hormones and everything activate growth, especially roots. So we'll hope it does what it says on the tin, but it'll be difficult to prove. I've always said this stuff is difficult to prove what it does unless you have got a set of plants, some of which get it and some of which don't. You can't just do it with two plants, because two plants are never near enough to each other. But if you had a dozen and 6 of them had the treatment and 6 of them didn't, you might be able to see the difference. A bit more scientific, but it's still not that scientific, not messing with plants. So anyway, that's what it is, and we will give it a go. And when I use it, first time I use it, we'll obviously turn that into a video so that we can have a look at mixing it up, dilution, and we'll mark the plants. You know, they'll get marked in my notes that they've been treated, and see if they miraculously burst into life. Yeah, I'll believe it when I see it. Anyway, thanks for dropping by. See you next time.